Today we're looking at 3 different ways of putting on a face mask. They're non-sew items you have at home and easy, quick to put on, and washable, which is very important. The best to use is a cotton. Cotton is the best at filtering out the small airborne particles. Okay, so one of the items we're going to be using is a t-shirt, 100% cotton, easy to wash. Okay, what we're going to do is we open the shirt up at the bottom and put it over our heads to cover the mouth and ears. Take the sleeves and we're going to tie the sleeves to the back of the head. This is probably the easiest of all the masks to do, and everyone's got a t-shirt at home that they can do this with. Okay, there's the most basic. Just play around with it to sort it out, make it comfortable on the face, and if you want it to look better, you can just tuck it in. Okay, and then you've got several different options with this as well. You can just take the back of the t-shirt and flip it over the head to give you a hoodie style. And if you want that real ninja look, what you do is, before you tie it, you flip it the back over your head and you draw all of the extra fabric back, and then you tie it there. Easy, effective, and then when you're washing, you just bang it in some hot water, boil it for a bit, and then put it into your normal washing, just to make sure it's sanitized and clean. Okay, that's number 1. Easy t-shirt face mask. No sewing and something you've got at home. Option number 2 is a pair of boxers or Italian style underwear. People are a little bit afraid of using it, but you clean your underwear well enough, then I'm sure it's not going to make any difference if you put it over your head. Okay, so what we do, and sit quite nice and snug to the face. Okay, so you put your head through the one leg, you put the elastic over your head, and then bring the one leg through down to over your nose, and then you bring up the other leg from the back, and bring it forward. And there's your ninja style face mask. It's going to protect you from the airborne particles and keep you safe. Better be safe than sorry. And so easy. So if these 2 options aren't to your liking, we've got one more. Now we're going to do a face mask using either a cotton cleaning towel, a handkerchief, or even a cotton pillowcase. These are all done in much the same manner. What you're going to be doing is you do your first 2 folds to the center, you flip your cloth over, again do 2 folds to the center, and then with any little hair bands or elastics that you may have lying around at the home, we just move those in around the cloth And then we fold these excess pieces over and into the middle, and we try and just insert them into each other so they make a nice smooth finish. You then take your cloth by the two ends of the elastics, and then by taking your cloth by the two elastic bands, you take it to your nose and over your nose and mouth, hook the elastic bands around your ears, and then just fill it up. And what a perfect mask. It covers up nicely around your nose and your chin, making the only breath that comes in through the actual fabric itself, which is going to do the job. Okay, now there's the 3 really easy basic face masks. You can't say you can't afford them, because you'll have them at home, so they're free. You don't have to sew or do any fancy work. And there you have it. You have your own face masks. Thank you for watching. If you find our content valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and bang that notification bell to keep up to date on all our latest content. Thanks again.